Hello friends, in this tutorial, how do you set up or let's say install a gas geyser? You can do it on your own. In the very first step, at first you can fix it on wall in your bathroom or wherever you want to use it. So you can see here you have a place, you can just pin it with a pin, and one pin you can put it on the top in the same way like this, and you can fix it in the wall. At the bottom you have three different connections. One is for the gas pipe. You can connect over here. You can see gas inlet, it is written over here. This is on and off switch, so you can on it and off it. So this is the off and this is on. Now here you have a hot and cold. You can see water outlet. So this is for the hot water. This is another connection that you can connect your pipe with the hot water. And this is the another connection. You can see it's cold water. This is for the cold water inlet. Okay guys, in my bathroom, I do not have a proper connection for the gas geyser, proper wiring in my bathroom. So I'm just trying to connect on a tap which I have in my bathroom. So you can see I just removed it, and now I'll connect one end of the cold water inlet to this one. You can see I got this from shop. You can get it from nearby store if you need. One end I'm just going to connect it to the water outlet. Another end I'll connect to geyser pipe for the cold water. You can see here is the pipe. One end I'm just going to connect it for the cold water. So if you don't have a pipe along, you did not get with the gas geyser, you can get it from the nearby store. You can ask for the geyser pipe, or you can use it for hot and cold water both. So this is for the cold water. So I'm just going to connect it properly. Make sure there's no leakage, you tight it properly. Okay friends, now you can see another end of the pipe I've connected to the cold water inlet. So cold water goes from this pipe, and this one is for the hot water. So you'll be getting hot water out of this pipe, and this is for the gas inlet. So when you close the gas, you'll be getting the cold water itself. When you open the gas, you'll be getting the hot water. So once you have made the proper connection, you can see here I have made a separate tap. So another end I have just connected to another tap, and I have just tied it with the cold water tap. So make it two different. So it is not necessary that you should do like this. So you can even connect it directly to the pipe. Because of not a proper wiring in my bathroom, I've just done it. So even you can do like this if you have a problem like this, if you don't have a proper wiring in your bathroom. So this is for the hot water. I've just made a one end of the connection to, you can see one end of the pipe I've connected it to the tap, and this is my previous one, this cold water tap. Now we're gonna test it. Make sure switch is turned on, and then we turn off the gas pipe in order to test it if the water flow is fine and working great. So this is the fire controller for minimum to maximum. You can control the fire. This is for winter and summer. For summer, you can turn on this side. For winter, it should be like this for winter. And this is the water controller. You can control the flow of water in a gas geyser from minimum to maximum. So I've set it to maximum, turn on the gas geyser, and now I'm just going to turn on the tap. You can see the light glowing over here for around 10 seconds at the bottom. Water temperature is the cold water, 17 degrees Celsius, flowing through the pipe. Now let me turn off. This means it's working fine. The flow of water is fine, and gas geyser is working fine. Now I'm just going to turn on the gas. Make sure connection is fine without any leakage, and turn on the gas cylinder now. You can see it's turned on. So you can see the fire controller. It is at the minimum. Set it to average around. This is for around 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to boil the water at 45 to 50 degrees Celsius over here. Now, just going to turn on the tap now. You can see temperature slowly it's increasing. You can see it's a hot water. The pressure is at 47 degrees Celsius. And hot water coming out now. Okay guys, as soon as water flows, you can see the gas burning right over here from inside this window. You can see the gas flame blue color, it's burning inside. Every time you finish using, do not forget to turn off your cylinder. Again you want to use it, turn it on, use it and again turn it off for safety. Have a good day.